Hello everyone. The main purpose of this video is to showcase how to write a research article for your research paper. This is a new topic which has been prepared as with the title Role of Technology in Distance Education during COVID-19 pandemic. It's regarding the perception of the teachers. Now, first you have to write the author's name, then the abstract. Abstract, many of them ask what is abstract. Abstract is nothing but it's just like the summary, but the summary we write at the end of the uh, topic, or at the end of the entire thing, but abstract is written at the front. Basically it's the highlighting points. So after this abstract we have to write the keywords. Keywords are the search words which the search engine will follow, and then the introduction. Here I forgot to mention the introduction, the caption. Let me do it. Okay, all right. And this has to be highlighted. Okay. And here I have written in the introduction, I have written regarding the role of technology in distance education during COVID-19. So first, the regarding distance education, COVID-19 is written. Then regarding distance education is written. What technologies are used in distance education? All of that is written here. Then I have put few of the review of related literatures, like what studies has been done regarding distance education that has been written. Then the objectives are set up. The first objective you can see it's based on the attitude of male and female teachers, because the title itself says the perception of the teachers. So it's regarding the attitude of the teachers regarding the use of technology in distance education. The second objective is regarding the awareness of the teachers, that is teachers understanding of the male and female teachers. And last one is the comparison between the male and female teachers plus the entire population attitude and awareness. So whatever population we have taken, the entire population is compared between between their scores of attitude and the awareness. Next is the hypothesis. Based on the objectives, hypotheses are being set. So here we find a significant difference between male and the female teachers. So hypotheses are basically the guesswork, like how we are going to prove the objectives. Is basically that. Next, the delimitations are being set. Delimitation is the fencing. Like we cannot just keep on plunging in the entire topic. So we have to fence around a particular area. So it has to be specific. So we have to draw certain boundaries within which we will do the research. So that is the delimitations. Next is the variable, that is the comparison of one particular variable and the comparison between the other particular variable, through which we will be able to do the t-test or r ratio, whatever. So it's very important that we set the variables. Next is the method. Basically the entire research article which I have written is based upon a research project which has been published previously, the entire dissertation. So it's a brief of it. Next is the method. Method, here we are using the descriptive survey method. Descriptive strategies are being used. And the population is the entire population of the Gurugram, entire teacher population. And the sample are only 300 samples of class 9 teachers. That is, we are making the specific mention of 300 teachers. Now, sampling techniques. What are the techniques we have been using to select those 300 teachers? So first, what we have done, we have selected three schools of Gurgaon, and then after the selection of three schools, we have selected the sample of 300 teachers. Now, why purposive sampling? Purposive sampling because we have chosen the schools at our own convenience. Like we have not done any random sampling or any sort of lottery or whatever. We have selected the schools based upon our own convenience purposefully. That is why it's called purposive sampling. And next, after purposive sampling, to make the study more reliable, we have done the random sampling to choose the 300 teachers. Now, next is the tool what we have used. We have used two tools to check the attitude and the awareness. First is the attitude scale, and the second is the awareness scale. After selection of the tool, there are plenty of other steps, but that should not be mentioned in the research article since it's to be published within 4 to 5 pages or maximum 10 pages. So we cannot mention the entire dissertation. So we have curtailed it to very few of the headings. Now, next is the analysis and interpretation. For analysis, you can see we have done the t-test and we have found the significance of the t-test. This is the bar diagram. This is the second hypothesis of awareness. This is the significance level. This is here also we have done the t-test. This is the bar diagram of the second objective. Now this is the third hypothesis. Third hypothesis is different to that of the first and the second. Third one is that we have found out the relationship, significant relationship. So we are not doing the t-test. You can see we are Pearson's coefficient of correlation. It is called the R value or the R test. So we are making a comparison to find out the relationship, not the difference. That is why we have done the scatter diagram. This is the scatter diagram. Next is the findings. These are the findings of our study. Then we have mentioned the conclusion. After conclusion, it's very simple. We have given the references of the study. So guys, this is all we have for today. If you have liked my readings, please do subscribe to my channel and please share to your friends and relatives, whoever needs it, or you can have a one-to-one chat with me. You can call me in my WhatsApp number 9958067504. Thanks for watching.